Now let's look at some examples of simplifying logarithms. So this first one says log base 4 of 30. Well, we could, in the past, try to convert that, right? That's really saying 4 to what power gives me 30? Do you know that? Can we write 30 as a power, with a base of 4? No, we cannot. So using our skills that we had done in our previous sections doesn't work here. So what we're going to use is the information they gave us. And that's by using the log base 4 of 3 is about 0.7925. The log base 4 of 2 is about 0.5. And the log base 4 of 5 is 1.1610. You may need to change that on your notes because it is a typo. So it should say 1.1610. So what we're going to do is look at this 30. We're going to try to rewrite 30 either using a 3, a 2, a 5, or one more special logarithm that they did not give us. And that's by using our properties that we've already learned. That's by using the log base 4, because all of these are bases of 4, log base 4 of 4. Who remembers what that property will be? When you have the base and the logarithm the same value, it equals 1. So now we can use these 4 numbers, a 3, a 2, a 5, and a 4, to help create 30. So how could I get 30? Would everybody agree that this is the same thing as 2 times 5 times 3? Right? 2 times 5 is 10, and 10 times 3 is 30. So this is an equivalent statement. Now, how do I break up multiplication? I break up multiplication using addition. So this is the same thing as the log base 4 of 2 plus log base 4 of 5 plus log base 4 of 3. Now that I have that, I can just substitute the values in. So the log base 4 of 2 is 0.5. The log base 4 of 5 is 1.1610, and the log base 4 of 3 is about 0.7925. Now with my calculator or on the side, I can just add those decimals up. And that gives me approximately 2.4535. How about the next one? Log base 4 of 125. How could I write 125 using my numbers of 3, 2, 5, and 4? Well, log base 4 of 125 is the same thing as log base 4 of 5 to the third. Remember, if I have a power, it can become the coefficient. So this is really saying 3 times the log base 4 of 5. Substitute in. We know log base 4 of 5 is 1.1610. So this is now saying 3 times 1.1610. And we will multiply that. And gives us approximately 3.483. Okay, and our last one, log base 4 of 3. Well, this one's pretty straightforward as long as you remember to add in this property, because now I can just rewrite this. I already have the 4 and I already have the 3. I can break this up to be log base 4 of 4 minus log base 4 of 3. Remember, to expand division, we use subtraction. So log base 4 of 4 is 1, and the log base 4 of 3 is approximately 0.7925. We will now subtract those, and we get approximately 0.2075.